Hey guys, it's Josh from Cauzzy, and today I want to show you a cash flow forecasting agent. First and foremost, you can always use this inside NetSuite, but I'm going to show it to you from our website. So let's look at our 13-week cash flow forecasting agent. The beauty here is everyone's got to build a cash flow forecast. Everyone does it in Excel. Tools out there for it are pretty crummy, but you need a lot of flexibility and ability to pull a lot of data in to really make this accurate. We create an Excel workbook and a PowerPoint, and that's what I'm going to show you. Let's start with the Excel workbook. So what I did was I pulled in 90 days worth of historical sales and purchasing transactions at the transaction line level. Hundreds of thousands, if not millions of rows of data for most of you out there. Because ultimately, what I want to do when I forecast cash is look at, from a sales perspective, when I look at my open invoices, I need to understand my DSO at the customer level, not at the company level, at the customer level to really make this accurate. I've got my pipeline of sales orders that are going to convert, projected sales as well. So baked in assumptions based on historical sales and seasonality, layered in with whatever ever custom assumptions you guys want to include as well to get to my total inflows. Then I've got my open bill payments, which is the same story, but the opposite of the open invoices. But on the vendor side, my DPO per vendor, right, to get to my pipeline of PO payments, projected purchases, and total outflows. So ultimately, I understand where my cash starts and where my cash ends. Easily, we can add other things like CapEx, debt service, or wherever else you need to add to this analysis. Subsequent tabs creating this workbook goes deep into my inflow detail, outflow detail, my DSO DPO analysis, seasonality and trends, and all the assumptions that are baked in, whether they were built by the agent and or what I want to include here for context myself. And to take it a step further, we also ask the agent to create a PowerPoint which represents all this information so you're ready to go for your meeting to present all this data to the board, to the bank, whomever that may be. We've even done this to build it for banks, including pushing and pulling on line of credits, showing debt covenants, you name it. Here you can see key sensitivities and risks, all our assumptions and methodologies, as well as recommended specific actions based on your transaction line level data. This is not looking at some rolled up report or aggregated data. It's all transaction level detail. If you guys would like to see more, you can always visit us at our website to request a demo at CauzzyAI. Thanks so much.